Asunta 3. This is from Oceanside. Asunta 3. A3. Beautiful color. Oh, this is super sweet. Really, really sweet. Asunta 3 tastes so sweet. Right. Super sweet. Let's check the bricks score. Yeah. Yes. Asunta 3. See Asunta 3. $18. It's so sweet. Asunta 3, the bricks score 18. So sweet. I love it. Asunta 3. I love Asunta 3. Wow, like I said, every variety have a different taste. Yes, this is very sweet. Asunta 3, the bricks score is 18. Sweet. And there is no sour, it's just sweet. It's just sugar. That's why sometimes it's hard to tell. But the machine is just testing the sugar level, that's why. And look how beautiful the pink mixed with white and not too many seeds. Yes, this is nice fruit.